Welcome, friends so dear, to Toonriesrhyme. We're glad you're here.
Oink, oink, jiggle, Puppy, Piggy one day. Look at those puddles, let's splash and play. Boots on her feet and a wink in her eye. She bounced up high, oh me, oh my! Splish, splash, jump so fast. Tiny mud droplets flying past. Round and round with twirly spin. Come on, friends, let's all jump in. Georgie squealed with happy cheer. Muddy puddles, I've no fear. Hop, hop, hop with a giggly snort. Splashing fun in muddy court. Mama Piggy smiled so wide. Careful children softly cried. But Eddie laughed with muddy nose. Brown splat stuck upon her clothes. Plop she slipped, oh what a sight. Boots went left and hat took flight. Uh-oh, she gasped with a wiggly grin. Mud from head all down to chin. Georgie helped her stand up tall. Teamwork helps when puddles call. They laughed and clapped in sloppy cheer. Best muddy day of all the year. But then the clouds went rumble boom. Thunder drummed like big bass drum. Rain came pouring, drip drop fast. The biggest puddle formed at last. Peppy paused and scratched her head. Too much splashing, softly said. Mama Piggy wrapped them tight. Fun is good, but think what's right.